Hello YouTube, it's Nicholas speaking. Thank you for joining me in another super cool and exciting tutorial. Let's left off from the world of Elementor, because I'm going to teach you something completely new. Have you heard about coming soon and maintains mode or plugin for WordPress? You didn't? Let me explain you. For example, you want to build your website or website for your client, but you don't want anybody to see it until you finish it. With this plugin, you can set some sort of mask to hide your website. Actually, the content from your website from the rest of the world. But you, behind the curtains, you can build it without distraction. Let me show you. Here, this is my website on my local machine, my pricing tables on my homepage. But remember, this is the whole website. This plugin can mask all of your pages. This plugin is activated. Now let's open the private window. I'm using the Firefox browser. And here, this is my URL on the localhost machine. Ta-da! This is the coming soon mode or maintains mode. This picture is ugly, but let me show you how you can build something like this. Before that, I will be very happy if you subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comments. Don't forget to smash the bell, because you will be notified right away about new videos just like this. Let's go. This plugin you can find in WordPress repository plugins. It is called Coming Soon and Maintains plugin. I already installed this plugin, and you can reach it out if you click here on this part of page or down there. Here. Let's open it. By default, this plugin is disabled. Let's see what kind of options we have here. We have multiple options, but first let's see those themes. Here there are pretty decent number of themes, but what's the catch? Only these 3 are free, okay? And now I don't want to spend too much of your time, so I'm only show you how you can set this theme. You already saw it a few minutes ago. Okay, and for another tutorial, I will leave, I think, this and this one. This theme is activated by default. Let's enable this plugin. Here you can set the coming soon mode on whole website, homepage only, or you can choose to set on specific pages. Here you can set the coming soon and landing page mode, maintains mode, and redirect mode. Okay, let's click here on this content tab. Here, this is the logo. You can set the graphic logo or you can disable it. Here is the heading, for example, new website is coming, and this is the example text. Also, you can set the media and so on. In graphic background, you can check default media. This is very ugly image, so let's change it. You can use your own media. Also, you can check the background overlay, choose a color for it, opacity, and amount. Okay, beneath custom images, there is Unsplash library. Here you can choose the random photo. You can set the keyword for specific group, and you have also other options. For example, I want specific photo from Unsplash. For example, let's use this one. Paste this URL here. Beneath that, you can set the video from YouTube or your own video. You can set the graphic pattern. By default, it is Sakura, but you can set the PlayStation or whatever you want. You can set the solid color or gradient. We need Unsplash library. Image from Unsplash. Okay. Here is you can enable the login icon. I want to disable it. And beneath that, you can set the social media. For example, YouTube, Instagram, and GitHub or LinkedIn. Fill up these icons, these URL fields, and click on this button, Save All Changes. Now let's copy this URL, open the private window, paste it. Our plugin is activated, and this is our heading, our text, our background image, and the social icons. Okay, now let's go on customize. What we can do here: you can change the colors, font, or footer background. You can change the headings or content fonts. This is the fonts from Google Fonts library. Okay, or you can choose, or you can upload your own font. When you're done with your changes, click on Save it all. The next tab, SEO and Analytics. You can upload your fav icon, SEO title, description, image. Also, you can turn on your Google Analytics. In this field, you can type your custom CSS. In advanced field, this option here, you can add another stuff. Take your time and explore it. All of these. Also, for example, here you can specify the email about countdown time expires. I will check these options in next tutorial. Okay, now in import and export, you can, for example, import your JSON file from another website where you have used this plugin. Okay, guys, this is all for today's video. Remember, in next one, I'm going to show you how you can create coming soon and maintenance mode with countdown timer. So far, if you didn't watch my tutorial about pricing tables, I will put the links into the description. It is a very fun project where you can learn something very useful, tips and tricks. Beneath that, we have Accordion. This is the another element from Elementor free version. You are welcome subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to smash the bell. Your comments and questions, put it beneath this video. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye bye.